Hello, food enthusiasts! Today, join me in the indulgent world of making delicious fried treats. Get ready to satisfy your cravings with these tempting recipes. Let's dive into the world of fried food magic. Step 1. Classic crispy fried chicken. Our fried adventure begins with a timeless favorite, crispy fried chicken. For this, you'll need chicken pieces, drumsticks, thighs, or wings, buttermilk, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Soak the chicken in buttermilk, then coat in a mixture of flour, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Fry until golden brown and delight in the crunchy exterior and juicy interior of this classic fried chicken. Step 2. Golden onion rings. Let's move on to another fried delight, golden onion rings. For this, you'll need large onions, flour, baking powder, salt, buttermilk, vegetable oil. Slice the onions into rings, coat in a batter of flour, baking powder, salt, and buttermilk. Then fry until golden brown. These crispy rings are the perfect snack or side dish. Step 3. Flavorful fried shrimp. For a taste of the sea, let's fry up some flavorful shrimp. For this, you'll need large shrimp, peeled and deveined, flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, cold club soda, vegetable oil. Combine flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, and club soda to create a light batter. Dip the shrimp, then fry until they turn golden and crispy. Enjoy these irresistible fried shrimp with your favorite dipping sauce. Step 4. Crispy fried eggplant slices. Now, let's explore a vegetarian option with crispy fried eggplant slices. For this, you'll need eggplant, sliced, flour, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, eggs, vegetable oil. Coat eggplant slices in a mixture of flour, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Dip in beaten eggs, then fry until golden brown. These crispy eggplant slices are a delightful addition to any meal. Step 5. Homemade fried pickles. For a tangy and crunchy treat, let's make some homemade fried pickles. For this, you'll need dill pickle slices, flour, cornmeal, buttermilk, Cajun seasoning, vegetable oil. Dip pickle slices in a mixture of flour, cornmeal, buttermilk, and Cajun seasoning. Then fry until they reach the perfect level of crispiness. These fried pickles are a unique and addictive snack. Step 6. Delectable fried Oreos. Now, let's indulge in a sweet twist with delectable fried Oreos. For this, you'll need Oreo cookies, pancake mix, milk, vegetable oil, powdered sugar, optional. Dip Oreo cookies in a batter made of pancake mix and milk, then fry until they're golden and crispy. Dust with powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. These fried Oreos are a carnival-style treat that's easy to make at home. Step 7. Heavenly fried apple fritters. Our fried journey concludes with heavenly apple fritters. For this, you'll need apples, peeled and diced, flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, milk, eggs, vegetable oil. Combine diced apples with a batter of flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, milk, and eggs. Fry until golden brown and relish in the warm, comforting goodness of these fried apple fritters. And there you have it, a feast of crispy, golden delights that are sure to satisfy your fried food cravings. Whether it's savory fried chicken, sweet fried Oreos, or anything in between, these recipes bring the joy of indulgence to your kitchen. Enjoy the crispy goodness and savor the flavor. If you had a blast frying up these treats with me today, stay tuned for more mouthwatering recipes and culinary escapades. Until next time, may your kitchens be filled with the sizzle and aroma of deliciousness.